Sometimes it gets locked out.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I'll try again. Should get logged in. I think it's yes, my setup is ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, so okay. Will this work or I don't know.
Let's try. Let's try. Can you share your screen? Just will follow some steps. As well. Actually, that is the way. I don't have. We don't have any other way. If you go through any kind of documentation, that is the way only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me see.
First, we need to create a S3 bucket.
Right, right. I'm seeing that which files we can use.
Yeah. Maybe my thing not. We have done yesterday. We did not get ultimate result. Why? Because that was object was locked. Okay. On the day we have done right object lock. So that's still not deleted. So that effect is still is there. So in the same bucket I have done. That's the reason maybe it might have happened. So actually, so let us try fresh today.
Okay. Please.
Can you share your screen once? Sam, can you share your screen? Hello.
Yeah. Wait. Going.
Sam, can you? I would like to show you something. Just in the gap, I have done something. Let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yeah.
Yesterday, what
It's
I've done is actually I have deleted object lock, which is retention policy we set up the actual 365 days earlier. Okay, so that is the reason it does not allow deleting the object actually. Okay, that is affecting. So the same which one affected we have used yesterday. Okay, so I was deleted. I just deleted that. So after that, just now I created all these things. So you see this. Hmm? This is actually, see, this is your domain
that.
name. This is
Yeah.
your
That's
domain name. With this domain name, okay, and also with your image, okay,
object name.
it's working.
Okay.
Okay, so we can set up this.
Mm,
Okay, so initially, whenever you on this, so it will show some latency, some kind of flickering. You can observe some kind of flickering that is called as latency, but you can't observe more delay because you are using a small image which is in bytes. Okay, if it is uh, too much data, too much content of data, then you can observe a lot more latency. So let's see. So you can share your screen and we'll do this.
Okay, so let's create a bucket.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was cloud.
Hmm. Cloud front.
Cloud
Cloud
for
front S3 bucket image you can keep like this. Cloud front test S3 bucket image like that. Don't take this name.
let's.
Make it different. Others.
Okay, now it is maybe all all small letters maybe it takes. We'll see. Uh, and then ACL enabled.
Yes.
All permissions are fine. Bucket owner preferred. Block all. No block also. Open it right.
Hmm.
Acknowledge. And bucket version disabled. And everything is fine. Using an S3 bucket key for S3 uses encryption. Key disable, right?
Yeah, you can disable it.
It does not really matter, but it's better
Yeah.
to try to
Create.
create.
Yeah, you're unable to create because that name is not unique.
We will change it.
You can keep
Contain.
muscle mind extension.
No, 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 it does not matter. It should be all in small letters. Yeah, so this is done.
Yeah.
So we have to something
Put something here.
create a folder or maybe
A folder in the sense that should be accessible. Our intention is to check for testing purpose. We need to access it something.
yeah. It's a big one. So I think small 2.4 MB.
Hmm.
I think 2.2 is enough for smaller one.
That's okay. Big one. Big one is also fine. We are going to delete, however, after this, right?
Small is better.
Yeah,
Upload.
fine. So give the permissions. So grant the public access. The above only. Above you can see the permissions option. Yeah.
ACL enabled, so we don't have to give special permissions. It's already enabled to. It's already enabled to public.
But where is it is not checked, right? You just enabled it. That's it. For owner permissions only you allowed, but not for the public.
For now, let's give to all.
Save changes.
Hanging.
Hanging. Some beep sound is getting.
Yeah, it's hanging.
Okay.
Correct.
And can you check the once? Can you check the bucket level permissions?
Bucket level. Okay. So bucket level, they were red, right? They were fine. You also saw that there are three things: owner, public, and then user group. So everything was checked. You didn't see? I think you didn't see. Yeah. See.
No, no, I'm not
O-
asking object level, Sam. I'm asking bucket level
owner level.
permissions.
Owner level means the bucket level.
Hmm.
Owner means the bucket level.
Okay.
Yeah. Read and write here. Everyone like me, I mean anyone who is outside, read, and user groups also read. But owner read write both.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now
Can you click on that buckets once? Can you click on that buckets once?
click on the bucket section.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One second. One second. Just I'm not. I just want to check one thing. That's it. Which
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
Which one? Which bucket is ours? First one. Click on that. Yeah. Okay. Go to permissions once. Okay. Can you scroll down bit more? Bit more. Where is everyone public access? Edit it. Edit ACL. Not that. Yeah. Yeah. This is the one. Can you please check everyone public access? Acknowledge. Acknowledge it. Yeah. Save the changes. Okay. So now CloudFront came. So can you try to access that image or PDF, whatever the file, using a DNS name URL
Mm-hmm.
object? Yeah. Well. Okay. Um, go to, hey, which language it is?
French.
Oh, you know French also.
No, no, no. Little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Great skill. Awesome. Let's go CloudFront. Bonjour, bonjour,
Bonjour.
bonjour. I learned, but I forgot everything.
See, yeah, if you won't practice, it will.
Because yeah, yeah, we are. It is not in use case, so definitely,
Yeah.
obviously, we'll forget.
Yes. But French is the most widely language. I mean, it's the most widely, widely spoken language in the world.
Yes, yes, I know. So I like it, but thing is, not in use case. That's the reason. If I learn, also I'm getting forgetting. So nobody is there to communicate. At least to do practice. At least for little bit communication. No one is there. But if I follow YouTube and other cases, it doesn't works much.
Yeah, because there's nobody to talk to here.
Yeah. For learning new languages, more than listening, you should do
You took
practice talking.
right, of course.
Create CloudFront distribution.
Isn't.
Yes. Keep any name, something.
And if you learn French, then most of the, I mean, there are many jobs which one can get.
Is it? Hmm.
Of course, 100%.
But you have to write, you have to clear the exam, right?
Hey, if you know how to speak properly, at least till B1,
Yeah.
then you can A1, A1, A2, B1. If you even if you B1, then you can easily speak to anyone.
Yeah.
And there are many jobs.
And
Uh,
literature is also important, right?
Obviously, if you know till B1, you can write. You will be able to read and write also well.
Yeah, yeah.
There are many jobs in Canada. Canada is bilingual.
Hmm.
Canada is bilingual. If you know French, then it's very good. And in Europe, in many European countries, they speak French. In Switzerland also, they speak French. So there are a lot of paths one can take. I mean, job even you can get jobs there also.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
That's the advantage.
So
Of
earlier I used to have that, but now nothing. It's gone. Past days.
even as a hobby, one can learn.
Hmm. Hobby, yeah, yeah, that's good. Maybe it will be useful. Definitely, it will be add to you. It will add weight.
100%. Cloud front. Okay. Cloud front exercise. Practical.
Yeah.
Single website app, whatever. This
Hmm.
domain
That is optional.
muscle mind. It's showing muscle mind. Huh?
No. Yeah, intelligence. It is taking intelligence.
Yeah, yeah, because I've used it here.
Yeah, yeah.
Next.
Next, yeah. Yeah, here S3 is common, and we are using S3. That's why. And origin, you can browse it and select your bucket, right? Current bucket.
So we can also
Paste.
instead of just route three, just doing route three, we can also maybe integrate CloudFront with route three and
Ah, yeah. Do you can do that? You can do that also. Not a big deal. Yeah, there are ways. There are ways. If I want to come Bangalore, Mumbai, I can come through Pune. I can come through Gujarat, Vapi. There are a lot of ways.
like. And which one you said I should not take because it's gonna charge me? So which one not take? Allow private. Which setting you said that don't take?
Allow private S3 bucket access CloudFront recommended. That is default setting.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, customize origin settings. Recommended origin settings, which means we are keeping as usual default. Let's keep
Mm-hmm.
it as usual. Let's keep
Okay.
next
Okay. Fine.
default. We are going with the default settings.
And there's no path here.
No, no, not required. It's okay. Not required any security. This is not required. So just keep do not enable. Yeah, come down, scroll down. The first time this is very small file. You just need to observe some little kind of a flickering when you are accessing it. Okay. So create distribution.
I think so. I was not getting any. It's coming. It was
No, already you accessed it. You
displaying
can't
very
see
fast
now.
actually.
You can't see it now. It's a kind of flickering. It's not open within seconds, within milliseconds. It should open within milliseconds. Though you are using Amazon, but still it is showing little flickering. That is called latency. The small file it is showing this much of milliseconds to open it, right? So if it is more than TBs, how much time it will be taking?
Okay. Right.
Even
Obviously,
though you have seen that also, that
yeah,
kind of
yeah.
flickering. You
Heavier
create,
file.
yeah, create
It,
distribution. Muscle mind is not ready right now.
We can make it ready if you want because I
But
didn't do that right.
yeah, but it will take a time, right? 20 minutes it will take to activate it.
Okay. We should
Yeah,
have.
yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Let us wait for deploying this.
Otherwise, we could have also done that.
Yeah, yeah, do it, do it. Let us try. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes will be there.
Okay.
Just go to GoDaddy.
See, daddy.
Already it is open. Sign in.
Forgotten. Let's see. Don't remember.
So after the opening this, you need to go to Route 53.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it opens because I did not use
No,
it.
no, it will open, right? It's yours only, everything. Hmm. So what is Route 53? Hmm. Share your screen. Yeah. It's open, right? Oh, good. Yeah. Go to manage. I mean, domain. Yeah. In that, manage will be there. DNS. Yeah. Name servers. Next, after loading this, name
Yes.
servers. Yeah, just keep it as usual. Keep it like this and go to host Route 53 now. Take a duplicate.
But for Route 53, we have to create an easy to, right?
No, no, no. Why? So just Route 53. Go inside Route 53. I'll tell you. Yeah. Registered domain not. We have already existed.
One thing,
No, no, no. Create. No, 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 no. Create anything. Just go to Route 53. Click on Route 53 left one. I mean top of the blue color one. Yes, click on that. I'll tell you. Okay. So here what we will do is scroll down bit.
keep on changing the.
Hosted zones, we had actually need to go inside the hosted zones.
Yes.
Okay, no need to create anything. Can you in global search can you click? I mean, can you type hosted zones in global search?
In the hosted zones, it will ask us for EC2 and all that.
Just click on the hosted zones. Yeah. So go to create a hosted zone. Okay. What is domain name? Domain name.
Yeah.
Give your domain name. So whatever you done, you just remembering that previous one we done. We have done that for what is the purpose? We have done that for load balancing, right? Auto scaling purpose or load balancing
Right.
purpose we have used.
Yes, yes,
So now
yes.
it is different case.
Yeah, that's how it's said. In that case, we had to create an
Yeah,
EC2.
yeah,
Without
yeah. That
it,
is
will
different case. Yeah, correct, correct.
work, not
Yes,
work.
correct. Exactly. What is that muscle mind dot live, right?
Taught live, right? I think, yeah,
Uh,
live.
dot live, I think so. Yeah. Description it's optional. Keep a public hosted zone. Scroll down. Yeah, if you want, you can keep that also. Till
Yeah,
yeah, create hosted zones.
create hosted.
So you will get a name servers. Yeah, you got it right. So that copy that name servers into your GoDaddy.
Yeah.
So after that only it will be activated.
Mm-hmm.
Copy this.
Change name servers.
Yeah, yeah, just to change the name servers. Replace it. Hello.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
I
yes.
think maybe it got stuck. No response. That's why I'm just.
Yes, little bit slow. It actually gives
Yep.
similar uh, name servers.
Yeah, yeah. Similar name
Sometimes it
servers,
gives
but that ID will be the change. The domain is different domain. It is actually pinging from .net to pinging from co.uk, pinging from .com, .org. These are all different domains, which is connecting with the various areas, UK, like that. Okay, so successfully done. Just wait for some more time. Yeah, after that, what we have to do? What is the next step?
create
Did you remember?
create record.
Yeah, we have to create the record. So then after we'll try to
But then
while we
in
are
that create
creating the
record,
record,
we
while we are
have
creating the record, we have to select a cloud front here in this case.
yeah.
So basically, these guys who have already account this host domain from the AWS, for them that little bit easy for them actually. So these steps will be avoided. But in our case, we our domain is in different hosted zone, right? I mean, different platform called GoDaddy. So that's why these things are to be taken time. So it will take somewhat time. So that will be the difference. For example, if you have already domain in Route 53, that is easy. So easy steps. But our domain is in different platform, so we have to do all these things.
yes, of course.
So when what happens after getting ready this distribution, and also um, after getting ready, so while we are creating the records, we can you can see different routing policies like classic load balancers, all these things. So whenever you see that, at that moment you need to select the cloud front thing distribution. So then automatically it will connect it. So can you check the distribution whether it is getting ready with that
I
Postgres
think
name?
it would be already.
It would be. That's fine. And let us check with that also. So meanwhile,
Yes, yes. Do that.
yeah, this is the name, and copy this name in Notepad.
This is the one, right? Yeah, I
Yeah,
think so.
that is the one. Copy this in Notepad, and also copy slash and copy object name also. No, no, no. That is URL. I am asking object name, only object name.
This is object name.
So go to buckets.
This is the object name, right?
Yeah, yeah. If it is that is, yeah. To copy this entire name. Yeah, yes, yeah. Copy this entire link.
Yeah.
You need to be very attentive. Just check within seconds. It will flicker.
Let's see.
Paste here. See this flickering happened, and also what is this? This XML file does not appear to have any style information associated with it. The document tree shown below, no such key. The specified key does not exist.
But we don't have to write slash and the
No,
object
no, no.
name,
Wait,
right?
wait.
Just with the DNS name, it should show.
Wait. Not like this. It is showing some error. No such key. Can you try with only DNS name?
This one. Then
Prefixes thousand and also groups key factor. That's fine. Mm. Okay, can you go to distributions? Is it get deployed or what? Can you show me that once? Distributions last modified.
Mm,
Click on distribution.
mm,
The status I'm asking. It is deployed.
yeah.
Yeah, it is deployed. That's fine. Um, yeah. One second.
Time shows sometime
One
as well.
second. Can you copy that? Can you copy that? No, not that one. Error. I'm asking.
Mm,
Yeah. Copy error. The first one, which you done with the object name also.
okay. You'll keep on showing something that this is not this, this is not there.
But in my case, it's done actually.
But it took a day, I guess. Maybe.
No, no, no. It doesn't take that much time. Yesterday, what happened? Actually, I've deleted everything which previous existed bucket. Okay. So I followed the same steps. Nothing I did extra. So just before this class, I just done. Actually, while you are joining that moment only, I have done this. So when you joined, after that, when it got access, then I have shown you also. It is still
Mhm.
opened. So what is
It
the
will.
error? It is telling that the specifications. I just to give the prompt. I just would like to access. I just would like to access the CloudFront DNS name and also that file. I would like to access the S3 bucket file using the CloudFront DNS name. S3 bucket data or image or PDF. Object CloudFront DNS name. But I'm getting something above. Yeah, access your cloud containers need to ensure following properly. Scroll down bit by bit.
Mm, Still writing. Still writing, I
So we are
guess.
not getting 403 error, right?
No, no, no. Some error.
What is that?
Okay, now it's fine. This thing likely of distribution is configured with S3 bucket as the origin.
The object must be public. Can you see that third one?
It is public,
Yeah.
right?
If it is not public, CloudFront must be. What is that? I can't see that.
How to fetch the file? It should be public. That is why
Hmm.
would be accessing the file. If your file is stored under this key, Nginx, this is Nginx and Perl servers and Perl something. So this is we have done already. Access granted, troubleshooting, S3 permissions, check if S3 blocks public access is disabled, verify the public option. So we have done that. So yesterday also when you were troubleshooting, it was showing the same thing.
Hmm.
But yeah,
So can you try to access using with the bucket name and also DNS name, CloudFront DNS name?
you already done that, right? We will do
No,
it
no,
again.
no. Just we accessed with only CloudFront DNS
No,
name.
it is
Along
true.
with it, use a bucket name also. Copy from here itself. Key is there, right? The contents key is there inside CORS, something like this. Dot PDF. Yeah, copy that. Yes. Yeah, copy that. Take a backslash. Paste. Yeah, copy this and paste there. Please resolve the issue.
Yes,
CloudFront tried to retrieve the file, goes to something, and from the S3 bucket, but it wasn't found. It is telling that it wasn't found. Can you see the error?
yeah, because it is not found because it's there
File
is some.
name is mismatching. It's stating clearly very much. Can you please scroll a bit?
Hmm.
See this? One little bit more, more. So error message. Scroll up more, more, more. Scroll up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait. But this is solution only. This means bit more. So after giving that error, oh,
Hmm.
show me that after error. After giving the error, there are some steps.
This is a second. The file name is this.
Uh huh.
It is the same thing. It does not. Just a second.
No, no. 1 second. Can you open the chat GPT?
I got the error, understood the error, but does not.
Wait. This means that object was stored S3 using this in not spaces. Oh, not spaces. Sam. 1 second.
Yeah.
Courses plus 2 plus switches plus exercises dot PDF, right? Okay. So can you go to once objects, please?
It is
Can
the
you,
same thing. It's plus
one
plus
second,
only.
1 second, sir. Please allow me some time. So go to buckets. Just go to buckets. Can you please open our bucket? Yeah. This bucket name, maybe that name is maybe not allowing. I think so. Maybe it is along with the pluses and all. It is stating that only, right? However, but it's not show like that. It's okay. Um, see one thing here, Sam. In this key, in this error, in this key course is there. Course to fetches exercise dot pf. There is no places here. It is taking without places here.
No problem. I'll just do one thing.
Uh-huh.
It's not an issue.
Again, okay. You want to make it. You are going to upload again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remove. Yeah. Capital letters also. No, Sam. No, no, no. That object.
Wait. I know, I know. Wait, sir. Wait. I know. Wait. Let me do it. That. Let's
Sam,
go to
this is
the.
not right way because you did not rooted it right. You have to create distribution new distribution in CloudFront. Now
Okay.
CloudFront will confuse it with a different bucket name. So just disable it.
We can edit it, but
No, no,
again,
no, no, no.
edit it again. I think deleted.
No, no, it will enable. It will enable after some time. It will take time. It will open delete option, but it will take time. So until then, you can create a.
Why it will be why will not take, because while creating the distribution we did not mention any we just mentioned the bucket name, right? And the bucket name is correct.
Exactly.
So then why this
Maybe it is not allowing pluses and all. Maybe.
no, now we have changed it, right? Now we have changed it, right?
No, you did not. No, you deleted the bucket, right? Previous bucket. You created
I
new bucket.
did not delete the bucket. I placed a new file in it.
Uh huh. Okay. Okay. So it will not take direct like this. You have to create for every object. You have to create distribution.
Mm, problem.
Okay, one second. Can you go back once? So scroll down bit. So last option. Can we do changes? Scroll down. So in customize origin settings, can you click on that? Let's see what are the options. Scroll down. Oh, no need to change this. Okay, make it use recommended. Oh, one second, Sam. Can you copy this the bucket policy? One second. One second. Can you copy this bucket policy? Please copy this entire thing. Copy this. Yeah, go to ChatGPT and paste there. Thanks for sharing your bucket policy. You are very close to correct setup. Okay, this what this does. Scroll down.
Yeah. It's still writing. Keep on writing. Okay, so it does that.
Scroll down.
The object is
So ask ChatGPT to give the bucket policy.
we have already given the bucket policy.
That's okay. Can you ask ChatGPT that question? Let us check what it gives. For comparison, I'm asking.
We have given the bucket policy, right? Already.
No, 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 no. It will refine it. It will refine it and it will give all together at one place.
So what do I do?
Give the bucket policy for accessing CloudFront. CloudFront DNS name. Enter. Oh
Oh,
goodness. Stay logged out. No other chance. Scroll down bit by bit. Recommended for CloudFront. Yes, this is on. Copy this. Okay, go to their bucket. Just replace it. Edit and replace it simply.
I think the whole thing
Yeah. Control A and
from version.
yeah, replace it. Try to replace it. Control remove everything, sir.
We have done that,
Otherwise,
right?
it will throw an error.
Replace everything.
Yeah, save this.
I'll just wait. I'll do it again.
Don't paste anywhere, Sam, because that will get
Pasting in.
some indentation issues. Directly, you can paste there itself.
I'm not pasting anywhere.
Okay, save it. I should not throw an error. Great. Okay. So now go to distribution and check it once. Still deploying.
But I think that policy should also have this DNS name also.
Yeah, it is changed. Okay. And now, can you refresh once this page? Still, it is showing deploying. It is got done. Yeah. Can you take DNS name along with the bucket name with the using slash separated with the slash?
Actually, it's showing this error.
Can you send with me your bucket name and DNS name? No, not getting. Hmm. Sam, 1 second, Sam. You did wrong. No, 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 Sam. 1 minute. Where is the extension .pdf?
There is, it is, it
It
does
is
not matter because I edited the name.
okay. You did edit. Okay, without a .pdf.
It does not matter because I edited the whole name.
Okay. Mhm. Scroll down. Okay, try with this. Maybe it has given new one. I think so.
Let's see. So,
So CloudFront services CloudFront and SID number ID policies OSE front OSE. It changed. This is new one. Try to copy this. Scroll down. Bucket policy.
this
Edit.
okay. Let's see. Should know. Questions.
Sam, can you try to access with that bucket name? Is it getting? Is it working? That bucket?
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. Bucket name is .pdf. Something is there.
We'll check with both. We'll check with both.
You missed a extension. It's working. It is flickering.
This is not working.
It's working.
This is also working. This is working, but we had to change the policy, whatever.
Not policy matter. Actually, your bucket name was wrong. Policy also we did changed, but after that name was mismatched. If you remove .pdf and it will not get again. Okay, you
But
can
now
note
we
these
can be sure,
steps.
but because we changed the policy, so now we can't be sure whether it was the policy error or it was something else.
Not policy error,
Uh,
Sam. Actually, that name was mismatched.
Maybe because we tried also that with PDF also did not work. Maybe I don't know. Let's This we can't be sure of whether it's it because we had to change the policy or it was just the pdf.com.pdf. But let's yeah.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. This bucket policy and previous one already with ChatGPT. Check with it. What are the difference? Already in ChatGPT, open ChatGPT and previous one you can check with that policy.
Yeah, whether changes because of changes it happened or we have to copy that also first. Copy that one which we see. I think this one was there. This one was there. Let's see. Yes, this was the one, right?
No, sir. This is previous one, starting one. So after that, after giving this, it is refined. So it has
Yeah,
given
yeah.
something.
This was the one given, which was actually giving us the issue, right?
Hmm.
After changing
Yeah,
this
yeah,
one,
yeah. Yes,
so
yes, yes. Correct, correct.
compare this with the original one, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Then we'll only get to know, right?
This is the, yeah. This
Uh,
is the original one.
yeah, this is the original one. So, uh,
So
okay,
just ask ChatGPT what is the difference
the
between these two files.
original one, original one, the one, the policy which you gave us
What is the major difference?
is under, as under. For that, we have to pull again. What I'll do is I'll copy from here. Copy from here. What's the difference? And would the original one uh, and was the original one and was the original one correct and would it have worked if we hadn't changed the policy, not changed the policy, modified the policy. The original policy was correct and would have worked if and only if using CloudFront access is good. The bucket name was correct and the object key is correct. And scroll down. Was your original wallet valid? Yes, it's valid and is not. It's confusing. The object is correctly named. The bucket name is correctly spelled. You might include strings assuming other conflict name checking. We'll see bucket name is correct.
Last one
String.
you said there is no functional difference in your example. Okay.
No real
No
reference unless
examples.
used
Maybe
wildcard.
Sam, let us. You can check it later also. I
Yeah,
have to rush to go, and this thing, whatever pending, will do. Route 53, whatever the things we have to create the records.
yeah, yeah. It is. Yeah.
Create the records. The subdomain example. You see the example
Keep
like
blank
that.
create a record for the
Uh,
user.
wait. A
Keep
record you are creating, right? So,
sorry.
A record you are creating, right? You just keep only www. Okay, right. That's it. And alias, you have to use alias, and you need to choose here from CloudFront related.
Yes, yes.
CloudFront distribution will be there. Just type it.
Something, something. Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen. Yeah, this is the one, first one. Okay. What is that? The distribution. Choose nothing, right? So
Mhm.
that's enough. Scroll down.
But you have to choose the distribution also, right?
In that case, maybe this case it doesn't require.
Otherwise, it
Let's
will not work.
let us try. That's it.
Uh-huh. But how without the distribution connection, how it will connect? Will not connect. You have to choose, but it's not showing the showing us to choose it. So an alias to a cloud distribution, another record
So
in
why it is
this.
not showing? Maybe still it takes time.
Mm, okay. Maybe. We only use this. So what will happen?
It takes time. One second. One second. Can you click that US East North? Why this US? We are actually doing everything in Mumbai, right?
Yeah, it's just giving an example.
But we have to choose our region also.
The reason it will automatically take, right? We're doing everything in Mumbai.
Hmm. Yeah.
Mumbai.
One thing. 1 minute. 1 minute, Sam. Go to Route 53 again. Yeah. Here, refresh the page, please. Refresh the page. Is it refreshing? I could not see anything. Or else take a duplicate copy.
Or
Yeah.
I
One
don't know.
second, Sam. Sam. Make it www alias. Choose region also.
The first we'll choose that, right?
Yeah. CloudFront distribution. Next region. Choose region. No, it's not.
Hmm.
First take try to take no, why it's not showing this? Goodness, my goodness. Hmm. One second. CloudFront. Go to CloudFront, Sam. So yeah, CloudFront. Yeah, second one. Yeah. Yes. Scroll down. No, this is not CloudFront. Okay, add domain.
www.
Visa, under the same root domain. Oh my goodness. So 1 second. No, not like this. Okay, give your domain www something. Okay, no spelling is correct only, right? Yeah.
Yeah, muscle and mind, right?
Yeah.
Muscle and mind? No, no, I think muscle mind. Muscle mind.
Go to go to GoDaddy. From there you have to confirm everything, not from anywhere.
Yeah, muscle mind dot live, right?
Not N is not there.
No one is not there. Check.
Okay. Click
Yeah,
on
muscle
domain.
mind.
Muscle
Muscle and
mind.
mind.
Ah, okay, okay,
Yes.
fine, fine, fine.
Yes, yeah, muscle and mind, muscle and mind, muscle and mind.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, so this is wrong.
This is wrong. That is the reason what it created.
Mm, mm. Okay, so we can edit the posted
You
zone.
can't, you can't, you can't edit. You have to create it again.
Okay,
Oh, wait. Go back, go back, go back. 1 second. Go back.
okay.
Edit
Edit.
host. Yeah, here it is there. Yeah. Try to change. No. Yeah, try. No, no, no. Already last time this kind of issue we have faced, but we tried to edit, but it could not possible. Again, we have created it. That same thing. I remember that. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Yes. No, no. This is just simple tag. It doesn't make any change.
Mm-hmm.
You have to create it again. No option.
Okay. Okay, then in that case, I'll do that.
But it will
What
take a
to
time, Sam. So do one thing,
names?
Sam. You create it. Okay. Create hosted zone. Okay. You know the steps, right?
Mm-hmm.
Create hosted zones. Yes.
Okay.
Please copy from GoDaddy that spelling.
www, no, just
Just only muscle mind dot live. That's it.
okay. So I'm doing it. Tag. Done. This is muscle and mind.
Yes.
Okay, done. Okay.
Copy those and paste there. Just we need to wait for some more time. Meanwhile, at least
I think this will get ready in 1 minute. This doesn't take time.
no.
Uh,
It is only takes the time. So to once after copying this domains, just remove this old one, and once after paste this in GoDaddy, that will take time. That's why I just waited. We waited till now. We- You if you have a Route 53, that will always be with you only, right? So that doesn't make changes. But we are using different one outside the one. That's why. Yeah. First remove everything. Yes. So now 12:28. From now, it will count 20 minutes once after accepting this. Okay. Click on hosted zones once. No, 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 don't create records. No, remove it. It's not. We will do it later. This one. Just refresh the page. Muscle and mind. Okay, if you have a doubt, you try to create, but it won't create. Though it is created here itself, but it will take time to refresh it, everything.
Yeah, let's see if
Okay,
it
try,
gives
try,
us the option.
try.
That's the option, the main option. I think so. That was
Hmm.
it's not still not giving any option.
Not now. Once after everything get ready. So once after activating everything, after 20 minutes, it will show. So though earlier in previous class, not previous, in Route 53, so we have waited a long time, right? So that is the reason. What is the difference means? Our platform is outside. That is the main difference. It will take a time to activate that. So, but the same, if you have Route 53 inside, you already created a domain. That won't take this much time because it is already available in your in AWS, right? Which already created that service. The domain is with you, so no need to do all these steps all every time. So that's simple step. If your Route 53 domain is available in Route 53.
But I agree with you. But the thing is that this was not the error before. Irrespective the thing has started or not, it should show the region. That should not happen.
No,
That
you
it's
did
not
not check.
showing region code.
You did not check the early. So after 20 minutes only, we have checked these options.
I don't know. Let's see, because I feel that the region should show irrespective of uh, anything, because that is the function of this, right? It should show, like for example, if I am filling up a form and if I choose the country where I live, it should not be that after 20 minutes it will show India, right? It has to show all the options. Whether the form becomes active to the database, that's a different thing.
We can't question and we can't question AWS development. That is like that only. That process is like that. So let activate this hosted zones and then AWS Route 53 and GoDaddy will connect each other. Then after that it will show options. Else we have to wait.
Okay, let's see. See, it's showing. I'm telling you, this is not the case
But earlier, why did not? Why it's not showing?
because now I've also understood why it is not showing.
Hmm?
Because it says that this function is only available in North Virginia. It is not available in India. So CloudFront has restricted this option. I mean this function, CloudFront function in India. It is only available this feature free because since we are using the free tier version, it is only available in North Virginia. That is what it is. That is what it is. Otherwise, see, I even just to show you, just to say that it should show all the options. So I just randomly chose S3 and then I am choosing the options. It's showing all the options, so it should show, right? That's how a database or a form works. If it is not showing it, say 20 minutes after it will show you, it does not matter whether I gave the wrong domain name or not. It should still show that. Yes, our mistake was this that I did not write in, but irrespective of this, it should show the regions, just like this. It is not showing because maybe this option is only available in North Virginia. CloudFront. So we have to uh, um, make all the things under North Virginia. That's the issue. Otherwise, if you choose any other option,
So
it
that
is
is the
showing.
reason only. That is the reason only. Endpoints came into the picture. Edge locations. Why they have distributed edge locations? That is the reason. So if without edge locations, I mentioned in the previous class, without edge locations, you have to connect with the North Virginia directly.
It's showing all the options: Cape Town, Hong Kong, Taipei, Tokyo, Seoul, Osaka, Mumbai. See, it's showing all the options. It is just that maybe this CloudFront option is not available anywhere. It is just available in North Virginia.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
CloudFront is C. CloudFront, it is not showing anything. It's showing no options.
But where is the distribution? It is also not showing, right?
The
You already
distribution,
created a long back.
yeah, distribution is not showing. That's the thing. But it is not showing any region options.
That is defaultly hidden. It seems
Maybe
like that.
because I'll tell you the answer also. Because the distribution maybe needs to be created in North Virginia, and the bucket as well as the object should be in North Virginia, and the distribution should be in North Virginia, so that it picks up the distribution option. I think so. Even after 20 minutes, it will not show anything. It will not show anything. The bucket and the distribution should be North Virginia in order to see the distribution. That is why it's only by default taking North Virginia. I don't know whether it's true or not because AWS doesn't tell you anything. AWS does not tell you anything.
So there are some certain standards, sir. So see, thing they kept a CloudFront disable, remaining things they are opening. So which means they have decided, right? AWS has decided to keep this CloudFront in North Virginia. Not they are not distributing to other regions.
Yeah,
So that is their option, right? So we have to utilize it. That's it. We are just simply using it.
yeah, that's true. But distribution not showing, right? So
Yeah.
that is what we're trying to troubleshoot. Why it is not showing distribution? So I am saying maybe because the buckets are in Mumbai, we need to make the buckets in North Virginia, and the
So
distribution also in North Virginia,
you see
so
that
that it is not showing.
you see
Maybe,
that
maybe.
option. You see that option which is written already in the headed one. an alias to create CloudFront distribution and other records in the same hosted zones are global and available only in US East.
Hmm. Right, right. That's why. Their favorite place is North Virginia.
Yeah, what about this choose distribution? It should be activated.
Yeah, it's not. Maybe that's why I'm saying. Maybe because our things are not in North Virginia. I don't know. Let's. We have to wait for 20 minutes to see whether that's true or not.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I think it should show something active or no.
It's 12:30.
Yeah,
I have to
even I
leave
did.
at 1:30.
Yeah, I also have to go, sir. And I didn't have lunch. I didn't have breakfast also. Directly,
Oh
at
yeah.
that,
Yes, yes.
I directly have
So
that. I
keep like
directly
that
have
only.
that.
Keep like that. Let it run this.
And then
Once in the
20 minutes are
meanwhile
over.
we can check. In the meanwhile we can check. So I'll be with you. I'll be with you more than half an hour. But in the meanwhile I have to get ready. So let us make
No.
it ready. Let's make it like this in live, and we'll check in the meanwhile.
Okay, okay. I'm also refreshing it. Trying to refresh it. Let's see. Yeah, I'm refreshing it again and again. Okay. Yeah, fine. Check it. I think 20 minutes are over.
No, no, no. 12:30 I think we have done just 15 minutes. Let's try.
Okay.
Let's try check
Okay,
once.
let's come back in 10 minutes. I'll update you.
Okay, so meanwhile I'll also
Yeah, get ready,
get
please.
ready. So just keep in mute and also keep in mute.
Yeah, so I'll just message you. Okay,
Yeah,
I'll message you to say that whether it's done or not.
yeah, yeah, sure.
I'll keep the screen open. That
Don't
way.
exit. Okay, you don't exit. Just keep screen like that only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So let's. I will communicate once. Meanwhile, sometimes I'll also call you, or
Okay, okay.
I'll communicate with you from here itself.
Okay, fine, fine.
Yeah. Not done. CloudFront distribution. It's not activated yet. Choose distribution. Not getting. Okay. Try to create record without that. Let's try with this way. We can also create many records. Okay. That's okay. I mean, without this option, I will just go to save. What I create record. But yeah, it will not work. I know. But what way? It should appear, right? What we can do. Endpoint is required to have value, but it is not showing. Hmm. Uh, can you go to CloudFront? There only actually some settings. Go to CloudFront. Um, Click on CloudFront. Okay, CloudFront. Yeah. Okay. Click on our current CloudFront distribution. Do you find any edit here? No, edit. Can you click on edit? Yes. In this edit, alternate domain. Do you see any alternate domain? Alternate domain name. C name is there, right? Add item. No, no, no. You are scrolling up. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah, here it is there. Middle. C name. Alternate domain name. Yeah. Yeah. Click here. www muscle and mind dot live. Okay. Certificates related. Can you click on that certificate drop down? Yeah, click that. Muscle went live. Yeah. Um, Save changes. Nothing. 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 Save changes. Don't click on that. It will show. It is showing $600. Okay. Save changes. Okay. And now go and try. Refresh the page. No, it doesn't work. www like that. Take a duplicate. Okay. So create record. www. Yeah. Now try. Come on. Yeah, got it. Thank God. Now save the record. I mean, record, create record. Scroll down, create record. Yeah, that's fine. Um, One second, one second. Refresh this page. We should get records. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait. Samsung, wait, wait, wait. Last one, WW is there, right? Can you check mark it? Check. Check the box. Last one. Check the box. Yes. Yeah. Copy this record name once. Our record name. Yeah. Okay. Go and check browser. One second. Data area. It is trying to activate, but something is happening. Something is getting you. So see, if it is not activate, it does not work. Musclemind.live. So it will throw internet issue or some other different errors. It is actually connected with the CloudFront S3 bucket, but ultimately it should show some kind of whatever we have uploaded. Yes. Why again it is showing this like this? Copy this. Go to ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT. So actually we need to explain everything. So here below you try to give the prompt. Okay, so you try to explain it. We have actually what object we have created object. In that object we kept some kind of PDF file. So we have created object in S3 bucket, object in S3 bucket. The file so and so file name. Give the file name properly. Yeah, provided file. Yeah, domain. No, no, no. After that you have connected with the CloudFront. So bucket, and after that you have connected with the CloudFront. So that's okay. ChatGPT will catch it. Not a big deal. Um, we have connected with the CloudFront. Yeah. So then S3 bucket and connected with the CloudFront. CloudFront with CloudFront and mapped with Route 53 hosted zones. No distribution, Sam. That is mapping. Oh yeah, yeah. You are saying that CloudFront distribution. Yeah, it is correct. It is correct. CloudFront distribution and mapped with the hosted zones, Route 53 hosted Route 53 hosted zones. I have added all the records, necessary records. Okay, so getting below above error, getting the above error. So that no 53. Yeah. So 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 we are getting the above result in that. Okay, so we are getting the above result while we are accessing our domain. Accessing our domain, yeah. Accessing, so copy the www.muscleman.live something. That's okay, Sam. It will take, don't, no need to give any kind of errors. Automatically, it will detect the issues. Okay, S3 bucket of the problem detected context really helps you almost there. Okay, we need to do little changes. Okay, scroll down bit by bit. The root cause something muscle mind. Okay, cause. Oh my goodness. Okay, Sam, Sam. Can you copy this root cause? Copy this. Paste that in. Yeah, yeah. Paste it. Dot PDF. Can you keep dot PDF dot PDF with extension? Yes. Yeah. It's okay. Can you go back? ChatGPT. Scroll down. I could not see properly, Sam. It is actually moving up and down like that. I can't unable to read this properly. What is exactly root cause? You are accessing something and come down. Actual object is this is fine. It is showing whatever it is we have given. So the not file found dot PDF extension missing from your request. Okay, so correct path is something it is showing. Okay, scroll down. 1 minute, Sam. 1 minute. Why it is not? It doesn't make sense. So actually, we successfully mapped with your domain. That's what our intention to show. Okay. So with the HTTPS, including certificate, you are mapping with so and so something, the CloudFront related document. So CloudFront is here to make this faster, and you are storing something in S3 bucket that you are actually mapped with your route 53. If it is not properly mapped, it doesn't show like this. Okay, this is not exactly way to do this in real time, but for testing purpose we have to do like this only. In almost there we are. So what is the issue? Scroll down. So it is showing something to fix it. What is that? Okay, so what is this? This is what it is trying to, you should, it is asking to tell that to use this kind of for pattern to access it. That's it. So you have to observe the thing while you are accessing, is it flickering or not? You have to check whether it is working. Not in this, not in this. You already accessed it. Go to other browser. Already doesn't matter the browser for while you are accessing with first user, that counts as a first user. You are as a first user already accessed it. While you are accessing it, I checked it, I observed it that was flickering or not. It is taking first time it is taken. Try to access the same one in same, refresh it. Refresh, which means no, refresh it. Second time it doesn't show like this. Refresh button is there, right? That, yeah, it will take time. So it is successfully mapped to SAM. So including SSL certificate. So ChatGPT is not telling that this is the wrong way, right? So already we have done the same. It is showing the same one only. So this is how we can able to map with the CloudFront and Route 53. So there are a lot of options. If you want to map with different services also, you can do while you are creating records. That's it. See, see, yes, good question, Sam. So this all done. this all done in practical and lab purpose. We have done this in real time. So you might keep your main big applications in your Route 53. Okay, sorry, S3 bucket. Okay, why you are keeping S3 bucket? S3 bucket, the reason is to store the content, or you are going to keep your websites inside S3. Okay, and why you are actually keeping why you are making this in front of you? So why this CloudFront came into the picture? The CloudFront is actually for, the reason is to access very quick. That is the reason only, for downloading purpose, faster access. The main purpose of CloudFront is that only. Once after creating this CloudFront, why you are creating Route 53? In the sense, if anything, if anything you want to access it, you should not access it using different numerical names, right? So you do have a domain. User does have domains, right? With that domain only you can access your website. That is the purpose we actually mapped it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What is your question? See, in real work actually, that's what I explained. Real use case, there are lot of data will be there. There are lot of files, you can say. Okay, for example, in my case, there is a website, big website. Okay, that website should not have any kind of delay. The performance should be very fast. Or there are some files. Okay, there is a big data inside inside S3 bucket. Now I connected with the CloudFront for the quicker response to the user. Okay, in our case we have actually used it as a website. That is the reason we have connected with the Route 53. Okay, in real cases, you may keep your lot of data, terabytes data, petabytes data, you keep in Route 50, I mean S3 bucket. Okay, so in that X3 bucket, you are actually connecting with the CloudFront for the quicker access, quicker response. Okay, you are going to connect with it. That is the purpose. You should not feel any kind of latency. To avoid latency, you are connecting with the CloudFront. That is the purpose. In our case, we have done different little. So because we actually used it as a site website, and after that, so we are actually connecting with the CloudFront, and also we connected with the Route 53. If you have a websites like this, you can connect with it. So if you have any issues with your website, how the user will feel? User will feel that no response from the websites. Okay. So if user will feel any kind of latency there, then definitely you'll have a very bad name, so on top of your servers, your sites, your applications, etc., etc. So there are ways. If you want to keep your files, you can keep the files for avoiding latency. We are using CloudFront. That is a way, one way. So if in other case, if you want to keep the websites, you can keep the websites, and also you are connecting with the hosted zones. You can use the domains like that also. It's up to you. In real case, maybe there is a website. Okay, that is dynamic website is there. Okay, you have website in Route 53, for suppose. In our case is different. We are actually keeping GoDaddy. In your case, Route 53 is your domain. You are accessing, you are keeping the files, and your website is in S3 bucket. So if you can't expose your IP for sure. And if you are connected with the CloudFront for the faster response, okay, to avoid latency, you can't expose with the DNS name, right? You can't share your DNS name with your users. That is the reason, to avoid that, you have to use Route 53. Okay. So in our case, we have used PDF file. PDF file is not a site. Okay. It is not website. That is the reason we have given extension. Am I clear? This is not, PDF file is not a website, Sam. That is the reason we have given along with the domain, and also we have given this PDF file to access it for testing. Clear? So if it is, if you have a complete website, if you have a complete website in your S3 bucket, so then directly Route 53 will connect. You can map it without using any extensions like this with bucket names. Clear? That's it. But in our case, we did not use any website inside the S3 bucket. Just for testing purpose, we kept some PDF file. We consider that PDF file as a website, and we considered that PDF file as a website, that we are actually mapped with the CloudFront for the avoiding latency, and with the CloudFront we actually connected with the hosted zone. Okay, why we are keeping a hosted zone in the sense, if you are connecting with the S3 bucket and CloudFront will give you DNS name with a new alphanumerical value. Does your user can able to access with it? Yes, they can access it, but they can remember it with the same name? No, right? So you have to map with your particular domain name. That is the reason we have actually mapped it. Okay, Sam. This is time to go. So let's connect tomorrow. Ah, yes, yes, definitely. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Along with it, it will delete. So, but it will take time. Wait, Sam. Once after you disable it, after that it will activate the delete. So let's wait for some more seconds. Yeah, it will delete. Hmm. First you delete hosted. You just come down from the reverse way. You have created S3 CloudFront hosted zones. You have to come from different way. So hosted zones first you need to delete. Records you need to delete. After that you have to come to CloudFront. You need to delete. Okay. So in reverse way, you just delete it. Spelling. Okay. What happened? How delete hosted zones. First, you need to delete the records. But it is showing something. Okay. Fine. Um, Select all. Yeah, delete. Yes. So what is this error? Error. Before you delete hosted zones, you must delete all the resources record sets except NS. Okay. Just uncheck the NS. Okay, first one. Just uncheck the first one. Uncheck the first one. So remove 1 second, Sam. 1 second, Sam. Last one. Try to delete last one. One by one. Select it. Delete record. There is all, no, not there. Yeah. That's the one. Next to second one. Yes, that's it. Gone. Delete that certificate. That cost. That cost. Okay, go to certificate manager, AWS certificate manager. Not here, Sam. Go to no. There left side, blue color one, AWS certificate manager. Yeah, click on that. Okay. List certificates, left side. Okay. Yes, it will show here. Yes, check mark it. More options. Delete it. One second. One selected certificates D2. Okay, associated with the AWS associate. Can you click that blue color one? ID. Muscle mind. Oh no, wait. No, Sam. Go to more options. So click on delete. It is showing that ID. Just click on that ID. It will navigate. It will take you through there directly. Um. So these certificates we have created in CloudFront. Go to CloudFront. Okay. Click that blue color. Yeah. No, not delete. Not delete. One second, Sam. Click on that distribution. Click on the distribution. The distribution in the sense that ID, Sam. Yes. Yeah. Here you edit the records. Edit the records. Yes. Remove. One second. Scroll down. Remove. Yes. So save it. Wait. That certificate also uncheck it. Scroll. What I can say. Drop down. None. Make it none. Make it none. Yeah. Save it. Save this. Okay. Now go to certificate manager list. Okay. List of certificates. Go back one step. You can delete directly here also. It will enable. Yeah. Maybe it is not yet activated. Refresh the page. Go back one step. Not here. Certificates. Yeah. Muscle mind domain. It's still showing. Delete. It will delete now. Yeah. That's it. Okay. So after that, CloudFront delete, distribution delete. After automatically it will delete. After that, S3 delete. Just close it. Okay. May I go? Yeah. Thank you, Sam. Thanks for joining. Yeah. Take care.